So what we want to do is a light degas, and then we're going to go around the clock, folding in to build some tension. So, like so, distributing the carbon dioxide from that overnight fermentation, and then we're going to fold into the center to build some tension. If you did have lots of flour, it wouldn't be sticking here. So play caution when adding flour, like so. Then I'm going to roll over and I reveal a smooth surface, but I want to tighten the dough, okay? I want to build some tension. So I'm going around with my hands in a V shape, tightening at the bottom, like so. You could also use the tension of the table to drag towards you. And you want to make sure you've got a nice seal at the bottom. If you've got a big hole opening, give it a pinch and then go back and tighten up once again. Now this is going to be the top of my loaf. The basket here, we do not bake the bread in the basket, we tip it out. So what I am going to do is pop this smooth surface facing down, so the seam is facing up, okay? Because once it is fully proofed, I will then tip it out when we come to bake it, revealing that nice smooth surface on the top. So I'm going to pop my bowl back on top as a little hat and leave this to proof. Once it is fully proofed, I'll come and show you what to look out for, and we will look at the indications as to when we know this is ready to be baked.